one, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you all the new and improved, specifically that last one, customization features in the new YouTube Studio. Previously, if you wanted to edit your channel page and add a new banner or change your logo or update the order and size of the elements right here on your YouTube homepage, you would have to do that from this screen. But now if you hit the Customize Channel button, it'll take you to the new Customize Channel page. Another way you can get there is by going to studio.youtube.com, signed in with your YouTube account. Here, along with all of the other options, there is a new one called Customization. So this is the new customization page that allows you to super easily change the layout of your YouTube channel in real time. Before we get into what you can do with this, just wanted to point out real quick that I did click custom YouTube URL. So now you can go to youtube.com/Kyle Newcomb to visit my channel page, which is what we're going to be taking a look at here. As you can see, everything is listed out easily, and you don't have to navigate your YouTube page with all this crap on the side like you did before. So up at the top, you've got the channel trailer. So this plays automatically when someone who isn't subscribed to your channel visits your channel page. This is super helpful to have, just a quick, usually under a minute video introducing your content, what you're all about, and that is super easy to update from here because you can just change or remove the video from this page. So similarly, there's also the featured video for returning subscribers. So this video is what plays when people who are subscribed visit your channel page. So you can pick something. I just have one of the pieces I'm most proud of, my March break 2020 mega vlog. Again, change or remove the video right from here. Then you can see the sections. So I put all of my playlists on my homepage, and to add a section or a custom section, it's super easy. You just go to the add section and then you can add anything. So there's the uploads, I already have that. Popular uploads, the live streams. So if you're live now or if you were in the past, or you can list your upcoming live stream events. So frequent streamers very well make use of these. Then you can add your playlist, and then you can also add your subscription and your featured channel. So those are the channels you put off to the side and say, hey, you know, these are other channels you might like, or here is my second channel. You might have seen those before if you visited any YouTube pages. If you don't like the sections that are here, you can just remove them. Super easy to do. Notice up at the top here, there's also a branding tab. So this is where you can change all of your profile pictures and everything like that. So your profile picture, you usually had to go into your Google account to do this. Right from this page now, grab a file off your computer, simple as that. Then you can also do the same thing with your channel banner, super easy. Then down here at the bottom, you can also work video watermarks. So a lot of people actually don't know about this, and it's really, really fun to have one on your videos. So I actually don't have my channel logo as my watermark. I have a subscribe logo, because what happens when you click on the watermark is it prompts the user to subscribe. So it actually is a little more informative about what happens when you click on it. That's why I have the subscribe logo here. And then you can also edit the display time. So if you don't want people to be blasted by your logo right off the top, you can just change that right here. And that's also super easy to do because you can just grab a file off your computer. Then up at the top here, there's also the basic info tab. So this is where you have your about section right here. This is a really, really key piece to have. So users can, watch your channel trailer, maybe read for 30 seconds about you and your channel and get some really great info. Over here, I just have kind of my moniker, a little bit of a thing here. Then I have my little blurb about me, the channel. Then I have some info about when I upload. This is really key. And then I also have contact information, and I direct users to my own site. This is also something really important that you can do. Then obviously I have my social media links, so you can follow me on Twitter, you can visit my website. Those are the links that show up on your channel banner over here. Then you can also indicate how many links you want to show up on your channel banner right over here. And then below that is your email that shows up on the about page. I'm not going to show that right now because I do want it to remain behind the little CAPTCHA prove you're not a robot thing, that is where your email is on your about page, and you can input the one you want right down here at the bottom. So there you go. That is my detailed overview of the new channel page customization tools built into the YouTube Studio. I really do like these tools. They are a lot better than the old way of doing it. And it's also really key that you go out there and customize your YouTube channel so audience members and potential subscribers know what to watch next and can get into your content for the first or second or however many times. So there you go. That just about wraps up this video. If you want to see more like it, I will have my tutorials playlist linked down in the description so you can check those out. For any other tech related videos, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter at Kyle G. New.